Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove history from Snapchat. This includes clearing chat, searching histories, memories and cache, so you can keep your account clean and organized. Now let's dive into the topic. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Now tap on Bitmoji or profile icon on your top left corner. This will open your profile. Then you can see gear icon or setting icon on your top right corner. Tap on it. This will open your settings. Now scroll down to account action section. Over here you can see several options. First of all, let's clear the chat history. To clear chat history, tap on clear conversation. Here you can see a list of friends that you have. You can clear the chat by tapping on X button next to the chat you want. After you tap on X, your chat will be removed. Now let's head back to the setting. Next is clear search history. To clear your search history, tap on clear search history. Now confirm the action to delete all your past searches from the Snapchat. Tap on clear and it's done. Next is clear memories and saved items. For that, let's head to the camera screen. And here you can see our overlapping cards. Tap on it. This will open your memories. And here I have my memories. Tap on memories that you want to delete. And tap on more. And here you can see an option for delete. Tap on delete. And confirm it. And that's it. You have removed your memories too. Next thing is clearing cache data. For that, let's head back to the settings. Over here and account actions, and here you can see clear cache. Tap on it, then tap on confirm, and your cache is cleared. And that's it. Now you know how to remove your Snapchat story, whether it's chats, searches, cache or memories. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next one.